Welcome back to Scotties Hobbies. Today, October 1st, I told you guys I was going to do the giveaway for the BlueDriver OBD2 Bluetooth scan tool, and well, it's here. We're going to do it today. That video didn't get too many views. I don't even know how many views it was. We'll look at it in just a second. But what I'm going to do is go on the website. Let me get the screen record going real fast so I can upload it, get everything edited all together. Starting, so we're now in record. All right, so you can see this is the video. It says win the best OBD2 scan tool BlueDriver giveaway. We had 52 likes, which really isn't that much, only 477 views. So I'm going to start doing giveaways, and your odds of winning are pretty darn good if this is the way that the views are going to be. But we'll see how it all goes, and if we get to like 500 comments on a video, we'll just stop at that point and do the giveaway at that time for the time being. But again, today, BlueDriver OBD2 Bluetooth scan tool giveaway. We're gonna find that the winner right now. Before we go too far into this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share, check out the video library for a ton of automotive helpful DIY videos and emissions deregulations videos. And let's get into this. All right, so what we're gonna do is go on here. We're gonna get the URL, copy. We're gonna go over to YouTube random comment picker and paste. So what we're gonna do, just to get this going, I'm gonna do 3 finalists. Those 3 finalists, I'm stumbling on my words like always. I'm gonna write the screen names on these PVC, is it PVC? Yes, PVC couplers. And then I'm gonna put those into this bucket, mix them up, and choose a winner. I got the idea from Murphy Diesel, and I thought it was a pretty darn good idea, so I'm stealing his idea. So here we go. First off, we're gonna go to fetch, include replies, and we are not gonna allow duplicates. So continue. First winner is going to be, or first finalist is going to be, let's see. Actually, this person has commented quite often. This is at Realm Drifter. So we're gonna do Realm Drifter. Looks like crap writing. And then let's do this one more time. If we could just do pick a winner. This is at C-Cut 1955. We're gonna do C-Cut 1955. And last but not least, for the finalists, we're going to do at Ted Evans 6771. So Ted Evans 6771. Got them all on there? All right, so now what we're gonna do is go over here, grab the bucket. Actually, you wanna help me real fast?
Sure, what am I doing?
You're just gonna choose a winner of this giveaway. Yeah. Come here, pick one, come here.
Hold on. I'm not gonna get there now.
Just come over here and choose one and see if you can read my handwriting. They're gonna win this BlueDriver. You gotta reach over here, and then show the camera. Okay, and let's see what it says. This is Realm Drifter. So Realm Drifter gets the BlueDriver OBD2 scan tool, and we are going to be giving away more stuff. I'm going to get the Gulu jump box compressor combo. This will be the next giveaway. I'll be coming out with a video in the next week or two on this and what we're going to be doing. But Realm Drifter, I will be commenting on the original video and trying to tag you on this video. We'll figure out how to get you going. But you did win this. I'll get it sent out to you. And you guys, don't forget the OBD2 rules for smog inspection in California changed today, October 1st. And this tool would be very handy to help you when you're trying to set monitors, clear codes, read live data, all that good stuff. And if you want one of these, if you want to purchase one, they're not that expensive on Amazon. I'll provide a link in the description below for you guys to go buy one of these. Go get one, very, very handy. I got some other Bluetooth scan tools that I'm gonna be testing out and letting you guys know how they go. But again, stay tuned, like, subscribe, share. Realm Drifter, congratulations I'm going to be doing more giveaways. The next one is going to be a jump box from Gulu A3 compressor jump box combo. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, share. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies, and I will see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.